Hello, this is End Time Disaster Local News. Today, in the early morning of April 24th, 2026, a coordinated armed attack targeted Mulam, also spelled Mullam, and nearby Kuki-inhabited villages like Songphel in the Ukhrul district of Manipur. Timeline of the attack 1 a.m. A single blank shot was heard near Mulam village, which did not initially cause alarm due to previous recent unrest. 5:30 a.m. A full-scale assault began with heavy, indiscriminate firing and arson. Daybreak. Reports emerged of homes being torched and residents fleeing for safety. Casualties and damage fatalities. At least 3 deaths have been reported. 2 were identified as Kuki village volunteers killed while defending the area. A 3rd victim was identified as a Tangkhul Naga man, reported by some sources as a Naga Village Guard, who was allegedly killed during the clashes. Injuries. Several individuals, including women and children, sustained injuries. Reports specify 2 elderly women and a young boy were among those hurt. Arson. Local sources reported that multiple houses were set on fire. While some reports initialed 2 houses torched, local residents claimed over 14 houses were reduced to ashes. Context and claims. The Mulam Village Authority and the Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust characterized the incident as a premeditated assault by suspected armed Tangkhul militants. Conversely, Naga groups like the Tangkhul Naga Long, TNL, have reported that their members were ambushed while on patrol, and earlier incidents on April 18th led to heightened tensions. The situation remains volatile, with reports from Northeast Live TV indicating that security forces have been deployed to the area to prevent further escalation.
So guys, right now we are here in Mullam, which is a Kuki village that came under attack from multiple directions this morning since around 5:30 a.m. If you look at that hilltop, I think one team of the Tangkhul militants, there's a way, it leads to Sirarikhum. So one team came from the temporary camp that they have set up at the top of that hill, and over that side, if you can pan the camera there, at the ridge of that hill was the ambush. There was one team of the Tangkhul militants who did the ambush on Kuki village volunteers, where 2 village volunteers were killed, and one of the attackers, Tangkhul militants, got killed there while attacking the village volunteers who were rushing from Songphel to assist the people of Mullam. And over here, if you look at, heavy security deployments have been made. The police are here, BSF and the army, they have already arrived here. They have already done area domination and to safeguard the villagers and to prevent further attack on Mullam. And one more point is that another direction, I mean it was from multiple directions. The village was under attack from this downward of the village. So one team of Tangkhul militants came from the direction of Sinakakil village. So the narrative that is being pushed on many of the mainstream media houses that Sinakakil was under attack by Kuki militants, wherein one village volunteers got killed, that is absolutely misleading, incomplete, and poles apart from the ground reality. We are here standing right now in Mullam, showing you all the security arrangements that have been made to prevent further attack on Mullam village. We will also take you to different spots in the village where houses were burnt. In a total, 16 houses were burnt this morning while the village was under attack with heavy gunfires using automatic weapons and explosives as well. All the houses that was burnt this morning. We will take you to more spots to show you the completely burned down houses, and more details from the ground report suggest that the bullets that were used in attacking the village and also carrying out that ambush, the bullets were from state armory. So the narrative that the attack was made by the combined team of NACN Eastern Flank and Arambai Tangkhul holds true as per the ground reports of the sources of those bullets. Look at these houses. They've been completely burned. And see, I think there's still some fire left if you can zoom in the camera. So people carrying out a full-scale attack on a village and then trying to debate a story of a false story of reporting Sinakaitil under attack by the Kuki is completely disgusting and unbelievable. I don't know to what extent people stoop low to sell their narrative.